And so today, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 300 watt smart low voltage transformer. This is the model ULTW30B. This company was nice enough to send it to me to unbox and show you what comes inside of here. Let's open this on up and let's see what comes inside of here. So we have a piece of paper. Here is your instruction booklet as well as a little list of the contents. And this will work with Google Home and Alexa. It uses the Smart Life app, which is right there. And there's your zones and all of your cable mounting, etc. So good instruction booklet that should tell you everything you need to know about actually using this product. As I mentioned, this is just an unboxing to show you what comes in here. So we have the actual, smart transformer. And well, that's it for the box. And then in here is everything else. It's just foam. This thing has some real weight to it. And take it out of this. And so, nice company logo on the front, nice long power cable that you'd plug right in. And then over here is your little latch. So we'll just open that right up to get inside. And then in here we have a few other items like mounting hardware, Wi-Fi antenna, and the screws for your mounting hardware. As you can see, you have your app also here. It'll work up to 80 feet away from your Wi-Fi. And here you just unscrew these to put in your wiring for like your outdoor lighting and whatnot. And then you'd be able to use this with your Google Home, your Alexa, etc. And your cables just run right through the bottom here, and you shouldn't have to worry about water getting in or anything like that. Your Wi-Fi antenna goes right on top, and that's really about it. Just a nice, smart, low voltage landscape lighting unit. So again, thanks to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. This is perfect for somebody who wants landscape lighting that they can control and set up with their Google Home or Alexa devices. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.